BullionVault provides private investors access to the professional bullion market. It holds over $2 billion worth of clients' assets, the largest stock of privately held bullion in the world.
BullionVault gives private investors access to the professional markets, and we undertake to make your bullion purchase safer and cheaper and easier than anybody else.
BullionVault buys gold in the large bar format, which is the format 400-ounce bars that the professional market deals in, and makes that gold available to private investors to buy and sell in 1 gram increments. Some people like to buy coins or small bars, but it isn't the most efficient way of owning physical gold. You want to be owning gold in the wholesale format. That's the format that the professional market deals in. That way you pay the lowest amount to buy it and you get the highest price when you sell it.
What we do at BullionVault is to keep the bullion in the wholesale form. That's where it costs the least and sells for the most.
This is one of the specialist storage facilities used by BullionVault.
Safety is absolutely at the top of what every gold investor is looking for. This bullion that we trade has left a refiner with a stamp on the bar. We know exactly how pure it is. It's never been through private hands. It's warranted all the way back to the refiner's custody. And it's guaranteed by us and by the refiners all the way back through the chain. So we know that it's good material.
BullionVault recommends overseas storage in a stable country to protect from the imposition of domestic exchange controls during a crisis. As a full member of the London Bullion Market Association, BullionVault must use these vaults and stay independent of them. Clients can choose their preferred locations from London, Zurich, Singapore, New York, or Toronto. Insurance actuaries rate these professional market vaults as the most secure locations on Earth, meaning that the cost of both storing and insuring gold at BullionVault is usually much less than just the cost of insuring gold kept at home or in a safe deposit box. BullionVault provides multilingual customer support from its headquarters in West London. Setting up an account is quick and easy. Sign up, transfer funds to your account, and you're ready to buy bullion 24/7.
What BullionVault offers to people is a route for the private investor into the professional bullion markets. By doing that, we can make their investment in gold safer, cheaper, and easier.